Good morning, students. Till Saturday, we have successfully completed geometric progression, earlier arithmetic progression, now the third kind, harmonic progression. In the first arithmetic progression, you could find the difference between two consecutive terms is the same. But in case of geometric progression, ratio between two consecutive terms is the same. Harmonic progression is the different progression. Here, once read the definition. A series of quantities x1, x2, x3 and so on xn is said to be in harmonical progression or harmonic progression, simply abbreviated as HP. When the reciprocals 1 by x1, 1 by x2, 1 by x3 and so on 1 by xn are in arithmetical progression, that is AP. A series of quantities x1, x2, x3 and so on xn is said to be in harmonical progression, mean their reciprocals are in arithmetical progression. If the quantities are in AP, their reciprocals are in HP, means converse also true. When A, B, C are in HP, the reciprocals 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. Otherwise, if A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, then 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in harmonical progression. Converse conditions. Converse also true. Okay, here A, B, C are in HP, the reciprocals 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. If A, B, C are in AP, the reciprocals 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in HP. X, Y, Z, like that also we can say. Okay? If X, Y, Z are in HP, 1 by X, 1 by Y, 1 by Z are in AP. If PQ are in AP, 1 by P, 1 by Q, 1 by R in HP. Okay, reciprocals. There is a reciprocal relation between AP and HP. While coming to the third note, there is no general formula for the sum of any number of quantities. The sum of any number of quantities in HP. There is no general formula for finding Sn in HP, because observe this one, 1, 2, 3, 3 terms are given in AP. Then in HP, 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Obviously they are in HP. What is the sum of this one? 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. What sum of this one? 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 equal to 1 5 by 6. That is 11 by 6. Here sum of AP is 6. Sum of HP is 11 by 6. 11 by 6 is not the reciprocal form of 6. Okay, that's why we can't find Sn here. There is no special formula for finding Sn. Next one, all the quantities, all the questions in HP are generally solved by inverting the terms and making use of the properties of corresponding AP. Mean in harmonic progression, any problem is given, mean First of all, we need to convert or need to invert the terms by converting in AB. Then we can solve the given problems. Okay, that only will be a point. All the questions in HP are generally solved by inverting the terms and making use of the properties of the corresponding AB. Okay, another important thing here, harmonic mean. Harmonic mean, HM, abbreviated as HM. What is harmonic mean? What is arithmetic mean? If 2, 3 quantities are in A, B, C are in AB, B is called the arithmetic mean because they are in AB. The middle term is called mean generally. If they are in AB, that is called arithmetic mean. If they are in GB, that is called geometric mean. If they are in HP, that is called harmonical mean. Harmonical mean. Here, harmonic mean means when 3 quantities are in HP, the middle one is called harmonic mean between the other 2. Already we have learned earlier arithmetic mean and geometric mean. By comparing those, this is easy only. In here, harmonic mean means when the 3 quantities are in HP, the middle one is called harmonic mean between the other 2. Let's observe this one. If A, H, B are in HP, A comma capital H comma B are in HP, then H is called its harmonic mean. H is called its harmonic mean. If A, H, B are in HP, then H is called its harmonic mean. Then find its harmonic mean. They asked me like this. Given A, H, B are in HP, inverting terms 1 by A comma 1 by H comma 1 by B are in AP. Are in AP. Okay. If A, H, B are in HP, by inverting terms its reciprocals 1 by A, 1 by H and 1 by B are in AB. 3 quantities are in AB. We know that the difference of first 2 is equal to the difference of the next 2. Hence they have a common difference. Now send this 1 by H to this side. Here 1 by B minus plus 1 by A becomes. Here 1 by H plus 1 by H, 2 by H equal to here LCM. AB for B and A is the AB. A into 1 plus B into 1. So 2 by H equal to A plus B by AB. Now cross multiply. 2 into AB equal to H into A plus B. Now 2AB by A plus B equal to H. Its harmonic mean is 2AB by A plus B. A and B is 2AB by A plus B. Once observe that one. A comma H comma B are in HP, then the middle one H is called its harmonic mean. Okay, here A, H, B are in HP, then the reciprocals 1 by A, 1 by H and 1 by B are in AB. We know the relation between AB, three consecutive terms of AB are given means we know the relation. By using that one, the difference of two consecutive terms is the same. Means 1 by H minus 1 by A equal to 1 by B minus 1 by H. 1 by H plus 1 by H equal to 2 by H. Then 1 by B plus 1 by A becomes A plus B by AB. If we cross multiply 2AB equal to H in A plus B, so if you transfer A plus B to LHS part, H equal to 2AB by A plus B. 2AB by A plus B. I'll write all the observations at a stretch. Mean two quantities are given. I'll write here AB observe here two quantities A and B are given. We need to find their arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. Okay, we need to find the arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Here, arithmetic mean of A and B is A plus B by 2. Here A comma X comma B are given. X minus A equal to B minus X. 2X equal to A plus B. X equal to A plus B by 2. If A comma X comma B are in ZB, then X square equal to AB, X equal to root over AB. Means X square equal to B by X. X square equal to AB, X equal to root AB. Here root AB. Next, harmonic mean. Here A, H, B are in HP. We don't have formula for finding terms in HP. That's why reciprocals. 1 by A, 1 by H, 1 by B. 2 by H equal to 1 by B plus 1 by A. Now 2 by H equal to A plus B by AB. Then H equal to 2AB by A plus B. 2AB by A plus B. Okay, observe this one. If they are in AB, A plus B by 2 is its mean. If they are in ZB, root AB is its mean. If they are in HP, 2AB by A plus B is its HM. In this way, we can establish their relationship. Okay, next. The 7th and 10th terms of HP 7th and 10th terms of HP are respectively 2/5 and 2/7. Find the first and nth terms of HP. Find the first and nth terms of HP. What is the nth term of HP? Once observe this one. If A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on, A plus n minus 1 into D or in AB. General form of AB. Okay. Then what is the general form of GB? The reciprocals. Means 1/A, 1/A plus B, 1/A plus 2D, and so on. 1/A plus n minus 1 into D or n. A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. A plus n minus 1 into D or in AB, the reciprocals 1/A, 1/A plus 1/A plus 2D, 1/A plus 3D, and so on. 1/A plus n minus 1 into D are in HP. They are in HP. Now, nth term of AB is A plus n minus 1 into D. Now, nth term of HP is 1/A plus n minus 1 into D. Simply the reciprocal. If nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D, here the nth term is 1/A plus n minus 1 into D. Two by 5 and 2/7 are T7 and T10 of HP. Then T7 is 5/2, T10 is 7/2 in AB. Okay, in AB T7 is 5/2, T10 is 7/2. What is T7 in AB? A plus 6D equal to 5/2. What is T10? A plus 9D, that is 7/2. If you subtract first equation to second equation, A get cancel. 6D minus 9D equal to 3D. Here minus 2/2 equal to 1. So 1/3 is D. 1/3 is D. Next, after finding D, first we need to find its A. What is the value of A? Now A plus 6D equal to 5/2. Here A plus 6 into D means 1/3 equal to 5/2. A equal to 5/2 minus 2, that is 1/2. A is 1/2, D is 1/3. A is 1/2, D is 1/3. Now, nth term of AB we need to find, then its reciprocal is H. Now observe here. AB is 1 by 2. Now Tn in HP, afterwards we need to find, first of all we need to find nth term in AB. Its reciprocal is nth term of HP. So Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is 1 by 2 plus n minus 1 into D means 1 by 3. So reciprocal 6. 3 ones 3 plus 2 into n minus 1. So 3 plus 2n minus 2 by 6. And here 1 plus 2n by 6. 1 plus 2n by 6 or 2n plus 1 by 6. 2n plus 1 by 6 is its nth term. Okay. Now in HP, T1 first term is 2. In AB we got A value as 1 by 2. That's why in HP first term is 2. In HP Tn is 6 by 2n plus 1. 6 by 2n plus 1. Because in AB we got a 2n plus 1 by 6. That's why in HP it's reciprocal. 6 by 2n plus 1 is its nth term. Amma 7th and 10th terms of HB are given 2 by 5, 2 by 7. Already these type of problems we did in AB. But in HP we want. That's why first we need to convert the given terms in terms of AB, then simplify with the help of AB. After the simplification, once again we need to convert to their reciprocals. In AB we got first term as 1 by 2. That's why in HB that is 2. In AB we got Tn as 2n plus 1 by 6. That's why in HP that is converted into 6 by 2n plus 1. Now n harmonic means between A and B. N arithmetic means between A and B. Then D equal to B minus A by n plus 1. We completed earlier. D equal to B minus A by n plus 1. If they are in geometric mean, R equal to B by A whole power 1 by n plus 1. These two things already we completed earlier. Now, if they are in HP, means we need to find its harmonic mean. Let x1, x2, x3 and so on xn are required hns between A and B. Therefore, A comma x1 comma x2 comma x3 and so on xn comma B are in HP. We don't have any formula for finding given problem. That's why we need to convert in terms of AB. Then A becomes 1 by A, 1 by x1, 1 by x2, 1 by x3 and so on 1 by xn comma 1 by B are in AB. Already two terms we have to insert n terms in between these two terms. That's why the first term T1 equal to 1 by A, the last term Tn plus 2 is 1 by B, because we inserted n arithmetic means between two quantities 1 by A and 1 by B. That's why total terms we have n plus 2. That's why the last term is T n plus 2 is 1 by b. Now Tn plus 2 means a plus n plus 2 minus 1 into d equal to 1 by b. But here the first term is also 1 by a, that's why 1 by a plus n plus 2 minus 1 into d equal to 1 by b. Now n plus 1 into d equal to 1 by b minus 1 by a. Now n plus 1 into d equal to a minus b by ab. A minus b by ab. Now d equal to a minus b by ab into n plus 1. Okay, a minus b by ab into n plus 1. That is b. Now in HP, d equal to ab into n plus 1 by a minus b. ab into n plus 1 by a minus b is its HP. Okay, answer to this one. We have to insert an harmonic means between two given quantities a and b. That the required harmonic means are x1, x2, x3 and so on xn. Already a and b are given, so a comma x1 comma x2 and so on xn comma b are in HP. Their reciprocals are in AP. That's why 1 by a, 1 by x1, 1 by x2, 1 by x2 and so on. 1 by xn comma b, 1 by b are in AB. First term is 1 by a, last term is 1 by b. Last mean two terms they give, we have to insert n terms, that's why the total terms are n plus 2. That's why the last term is Tn plus 2. The Tn plus second term is 1 by b. There AB, that's why a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 1 by b. Here n means n plus 2, a means 1 by a. That's why 1 by a plus n plus 2 minus 1 into d equal to 1 by b. Here n plus 1 into d equal to 1 by b minus 1 by a. So n plus 1 into d equal to a minus b by ab. D equal to a minus b by ab into n plus 1. Here we require difference in HP. That's why that is ab of n plus 1 by a minus b. Once observe this one. First mean in AB 1 by x1, that is second term. First mean is second term. First mean is the second term. That's why here 1 by a comma 1 by x1 comma 1 by x2 comma 1 by x3 and so on 1 by xn comma 1 by b are the sequence. Now this is first term, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. Mean first mean is second term. First mean is second term. Third, second term is third. Okay, third mean is fourth term. Because we are inserting, already we have one term. That's why it becomes like this. Okay, here first mean is second term. That is a plus d. Here a is 1 by a. Here a is 1 by a. That's why a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and so on. A plus nd. Because xn, you need to find means. Xn is the nth mean. That is n plus 1th term. So 1 by a plus nd. Now 1 by x1 means a plus b. B already we got now. A minus b into ab by n plus 1. So here ab into n plus 1 is the LCM. Here A get cancelled. B into n plus 1 plus A minus B. Here Bn plus B plus A minus B by AB into n plus 1. B and B get cancelled. A plus Bn by AB into n plus 1. A plus Bn by AB into n plus 1. In case of xn, 1 by xn equal to 1 by xn equal to, now we order 1 by a plus n into d mean a minus b by ab into n plus 1. Alright, 1 by a plus n into a minus b by ab into n plus 1. Now LCM ab into n plus 1. Here a get cancelled. B into n plus 1 plus na minus nb. Now bn plus b plus na minus nb by ab into n plus 1. Here nb bn cancelled. Na plus b by ab into n plus 1. This is 1 by x. And then observe this one. First mean in AP. These are all means in AP, but we want in HP. Now first observe this one. 1 by x1 equal to 1 by a plus b. D means a minus b by ab into n plus 1. LCM ab into n plus 1. B of n plus 1 mean bn plus b plus a minus b plus b minus b get cancelled. A plus bn by ab into n plus 1. In case of 1 by xn, 1 by a plus nd. D means a minus b into ab of n plus 1. That's why LCM ab into n plus 1. Here b into n plus 1 plus na minus nb. Here bn and nb cancel. Na plus b by ab into n plus 1. In x1, first mean a plus bn, and the last mean na plus b. Just a and b are interchanged. A and b are interchanged. Now the required means. The required means are x1. Here 1 by x1 is 1. AB into n plus 1 by a plus b. Now xn AB into n plus 1 by an plus b. An plus b. That is a plus bn. This is an plus b. Okay. These are required harmonic means. Required harmonic means. Okay. Next. First mean is AB into n plus 1 by a plus bn. Last mean is AB into n plus 1 by n plus b. Just interchanging the values of n. Then you can find. Insert 4 harmonic means between. Insert 4 HNs between 22 and 2. Insert 4 harmonic means between 22 and 2. So let's see the given problem. This is the solution. Let 22 comma h1 comma h2 comma h3 comma h4 comma 2 Rn hp. because we have to insert HMs. Now 1 by 22 comma 1 by H1 comma 1 by H2 comma 1 by H3 comma 1 by H4 comma 1 by 2 are in A. They are in A. Now first term is 1 by 22, that is A. Inserting 4 harmonic means already 2 given, that's why the last term T6 is 1 by 2. T6 is 1 by 2. Now T6 means A plus 5D equal to 1 by 2. Here A is 1 by 22 plus 5D equal to 1 by 2. Now 5D equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 22. 5D equal to 22 minus 2 by 44. 5D equal to 20 by 44. D equal to 4 by 44, that is 1 by 11. 4 by 44, 1 by 11 is the value of D. Now we have A plus 5D. Already here also we have the first term. Okay, here first term is 1 by 22. Here mean, first mean means H 1 by H1 equal to A plus D. A mean 1 by 22 plus D means 1 by 11. So LCM is 22. 1 plus 2 mean 3 by 22 is the first mean. 3 by 22 is the first mean. Next, second mean. H2. 1 by H2 equal to A plus 2D. So 1 by 22 plus here 2 by 11. Again 22 is the LCM. 1 plus 2 is 4. Here 5 by 22. 5 by 22. Answer this one. Afterwards I have done right. Here we have insert 4 harmonic means between 22 and 2. So 22 come H1 come H2 come H3 come H4 and so on 2 are in HP. Their reciprocals are in AP. So 1 by 22, 1 by H1, 1 by H2, 1 by H3, 1 by H4 and 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the sixth term, 1 by 22 is the first term. That's why here sixth term 1 by 2 we have, that is A plus 5D. A means 1 by 22 plus 5D equal to 1 by 2. D equal to 1 by 11. With the help of first term and D, we can find the required terms. That is 1 by H1 and 1 by H2. 1 by H1 is 3 by 22. 1 by H2 is 5 by 22. Now 1 by H3 equal to A plus 3D. So A means 1 by 22. Here 3 by 11. So LCM means 22. So 1 plus 6. 7 by 22. Now 1 by H4 equal to A plus 3D. Now 1 by 22 plus 4D only. So 4 by 11. Here 22 is the LCM. 1 plus 9, 8. 1 plus 8, 4 twos. So 9 by 22. Okay. These are the means in HP. AP, sorry. These are the means in AP. For the means in HP, we require. HP, we require. we have 1 by h1 equal to 3 by 22, 1 by h2 equal to 5 by 22, 1 by h3 equal to 7 by 22, 1 by h4 equal to 9 by 22. The reciprocals, h1 equal to 22 by 3, h2 equal to 22 by 5, h3 equal to 22 by 7, h4 equal to 22 by 9. These are the required harmonic means. These are the required harmonic means. These are the required